let's give it a fucking shot. And we also released a music video for this song right around the same time. Definitely one of the most meaningful songs for me on the record. And apparently, it's working for you guys too, because as of today, Victorious is the number 27 rock song in the country. We are in the top 30. It's because of you guys that we get to live this dream. It's because of you guys sharing and streaming and calling radio stations. By the way, big shout out to 94.5, The Buzz. I know you guys are playing it. Thank you so much. It's because of you guys that these songs have the impact that they have, so thank you. I'm going to turn it over to Casey right now to talk about what this song means to her.
Well, guys, so Nina mentioned that it was my first time in Houston, and that is because it's my first tour ever. With that being said, I've been told so many fucking times that I won't be able to live my dreams. I won't be able to do what I want, and raise your hand if you've ever been told the same. Yeah. You know what I said? Cover your ears. I said, fuck those people. I'm gonna do exactly what I fucking want to do, and I'm going to live my dreams as I see fit. And that is exactly what every single one of you can do, especially you on the shoulders right there. Live your dreams. You absolutely fucking to all of